Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix fingerprint not showing in setting fingerprint option or it's missing. Now to do that, what you need to do is open this setting. There are a few reasons for this to occur. This kind of error might occur due to software malfunction, or if you dropped your phone accidentally, this issue might occur where a fingerprint option or fingerprint is not working. The another is if your phone hardware malfunctioned and this option is no longer applicable. There is no exact way for you to know which is the issue, so I'll just show you or give you a certain example or a option to clear this issue that you're having. So first thing is you need to open this setting, and in this setting you need to go to the fingerprint option. For that you can easily access the fingerprint from the search bar. So on the search bar you just type in fingerprint, then tap on search. This will give you the fingerprint related setting on the search bar, and there you need to go to the app info page, the fingerprint extension service. You tap that. Once you do that, what you need to do is go to storage and cache. Tap on it. In the storage and cache, you need to clear the storage and clear cache option. You tap that clear cache. This will delete all the unwanted cache that you have on this setting particularly. So once that's done, what you need to do is then you need to tap on clear storage and remove all the data from here. Tap on OK. Once all that is done, you need to restart your phone. Tap on restart and you restart your phone. Once you have restarted your phone, you need to go to this setting again. And in this setting, you need to go to the security. You go to the security, tap that. Now there's the fingerprint option inside device security. You tap that. Now you can provide a new fingerprint for your phone device. You just provide the fingerprint for your phone, or you can do the pin option as well. Clear this process. Tap on next. Fingerprint added. Tap on done. With that, the fingerprint has been added and now it will be applicable in your phone device. So this is a way how you can fix the issue of fingerprint not showing in setting or the fingerprint option being missing. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.